Sir, I have signed a service agreement with a plumbing company. However, they never finished what we agreed upon. So, am I still bound by that original agreement?
How much was the total amount you were going to pay them, William?
19,000.
Say again?
19,000.
How much have you paid them so far?
0.
William, when did they start the job, and when was the last time they were on a job site?
They started back in August.
Oh, boy.
And they abandoned it. They did the initial, they came 4 days. They did the initial work, and then it got stuck, and they couldn't get the permitting, and so they abandoned the rest of the work.
Okay.
And they had me with half a job done. So I had the job done on my own cost to finish it.
Okay.
And they have not contacted since. They had a finance
William,
company.
oh, wait a minute. What do you mean a finance company?
They had a 180 days that you can pay without interest, but then I disputed it because they never finished it, and the finance company said, we withhold your side of it. You don't owe us anything.
Well, now you're scaring me, William, because you're telling me you signed financing documents that you may not have paid the plumbing company anything, but you've agreed to pay the finance company $19,000. Are you sure you've been released from that obligation, William?
Yes.
Okay.
They wrote me
now,
saying
William,
I'm completely released.
Good. I'm so happy to hear that, William. Now, William, how much did you end up paying the new plumber to get this job done?
Close to 11,000.
Okay. So, William, I would say this. The job is done. The question is, do you owe the old plumbing company something if push comes to shove? And I would say the answer might very well be yes. They did some work. They provided some value to you. And if they come forward at some point in time and say, William, yeah, we screwed up, William. We're mea culpa. So sorry about that. But, hey, we think we did provided you with some value. We'd like some payment for the work we've done. I would say that's still a possibility at this moment in time, William.
Yes. Okay. So what amount would that be? Because they never line itemed any of the agreements.
I think that would be purely a negotiation. If push comes to shove, the obligation would be on them to prove their case. They'd have to somehow prove to a judge what the value of their work is. So, William, hopefully reasonable minds will persevere here, and you guys could reach a settlement agreement. Hopefully you won't ever hear from them again, but I'm just saying, hey, if it comes right down to it, you may owe them something for the work they did.
All right. How long before that officially just goes away if they don't make contact?
Okay, William, you're now talking about statute of limitations. William, I never, ever, ever, ever quote statute of limitations over the radio because they're just too important, William. If I give you the wrong answer, I don't want you coming back and suing me, William. So I don't know. I don't know.
Right. Okay. Gotcha.
All right.
Okay. So now, and when they did send me initially an invoice, and then I have a copy of it, but the invoice says 0 balance.
William, I think there's nothing for you to do to sit back and wait and see what happens. That's my recommendation.
Okay.
And don't lose any sleep over this.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right, William. Thank you for calling. We appreciate it.